Hi, for today's video, I'm going to paint a woman's face using this old or expired makeup. Some of these are just given to me because I don't usually buy makeup since I can't wear them every day. Except for there's an occasion, I just wear eyebrows and lipstick for my everyday use. So these are already expired, and instead of throwing them, I got an idea of why not using them for my next painting. And here I'm going to use my old makeup brushes, cotton swabs, and a small amount of water for mixing. So let's start. I already have a sketch of a woman's face. So first thing to do is we're going to put a BB cream. Here I use filbert brush as my applicator to spread the cream evenly. Now I'm going to let it dry for a few minutes before the next step. Next is brushing pressed powder all over the face. I use a liquid eyeliner pen for the eyes, eyelids, and eyelashes. Here you need extra patience because the pen dries up easily. Next is the brows using eyebrow powder and eyebrow pencil. The brush is very soft, so I use cotton swabs for blending. Brown eyeshadow for the upper eye. And for the nose line. Retouching eyeshadow with golden brown. To make the eyes not so white, I put a little yellow and pink. I use flat brush for nose and face shadows with brown eyeshadow. I still use the eyeshadow palette in reddish brown since I don't have cheek blush powder and to make a contour. Using matte ink lipstick for the lips. This is my most awaited part. I use lip brush to spread it evenly. Light brown for forehead shadows and other part of the face that needs a little shadow. I only use white eyeshadow as my highlighter. Brown eyeshadow again for the midline of the lips. Now finishing up the face with a little more shadow on the other part of the nose. White eyeshadow again to highlight the lips for a glossy look. I put on gray eyeshadow for the under eye. The face is actually done, but I decided to add a hair to make it more beautiful. So for the hair, I'm going to use the black and brown oil pastels. use tissue and cotton swabs for blending. Oh, my table is shaking. Finally, it's done. She looks like someone, I don't know, a female celebrity? You may comment down below if who she looks like. And if you're new here, kindly click the subscribe button and click the notification bell. And if you like it, you can also share it. Thank you for watching.